Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a wig review on Yolova hair. They were so nice to send me a free wig to review. With the packaging, they included tweezers, a wig cap, and these lashes, and I thought that was so thoughtful of them. So the wig is a 28-inch wig, 180 density, and it's a highlighted curly wig. The lace is transparent, as you guys can tell. You guys can see through, and it's easy to melt the lace, even though I feel like an HD lace would be better for the melts, but it was transparent, so you can always make it work, as you guys will see towards the end of the video. And this is just me showing y'all the lace of the wig. So I went ahead and plucked the wig off camera. I'm still working on my plucking skills, so y'all don't judge my plucking, but for the most part, I think I did a pretty good job with the plucking. I honestly did take my time with it, and it came out so nice. You guys will see towards the end. Guys, meet Bear. This is Bear, toy poodle, y'all. He is so cute. I just put him in the video just because. I will be listing a lot of the products that I used and how to install this wig in the description box below, so you guys should check that out. I want you guys to notice how this wig is literally going nowhere, y'all. It's going nowhere. I went ahead and did more plucking while the wig was on my head. I thought that I recorded it in a way that you guys can see what I'm doing, but it's like I did but I didn't. So the next install, I'll make it like I'll zoom up or be closer to the camera so that you guys can see how I plucked the hair even more. So I tried to use this flat iron for the edges for the baby hairs, and it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So, you know, this technique might be helpful. I think it's actually very helpful. I think I just have the wrong flat iron for it. But, you know, if you still have something like this, you can still use it if it works for you. But me personally, I wasn't really liking it. So I might just invest in another flat iron for the baby hairs. I honestly think this method of me using the Got To Be styling glue with the hair mousse is so nice. I think it really secured the wig because the wig lasted on my head for almost like 3 weeks and it still looked like a fresh install. So I still will be leaving all the products I use in the description box below, but this method really like held my wig down for days. Like first week it still wasn't going anywhere and it still looked like a brand new install. Because do y'all see my baby hairs? They look so good, y'all. I really did a good job with this wig. I was so proud of myself with the outcome. This wig looks super scalped, super scalped. Like I really did that, y'all. And that's the end of the video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Make sure you guys share this video with your friends. Like I said before, all the products that I use in this video will be linked in the description box. Y'all, I know y'all see this wig and my makeup though. Like I really did the thing. This wig is going nowhere. It's very scalped, y'all. Like I really did that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one. Love y'all.